Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Yolich. I am just giving you guys a really quick and short tutorial on how to add shapes and colors to your slide if you're using the 3 colors response to literature option for your visual art response to literature, or R2L. So this is an example of a blank slide. And what you're going to do is you're going to be adding shapes, and you're going to click here where you see a circle square. So you click on shape, and then you literally go on shapes. So for today, I want to choose a black cloud. So I'm going to pick the shape of a cloud, and then let me see. Oh, that didn't work. Let's try that again. So click on the shape. Click on shapes, click on the cloud. There we go. That's what you want to happen. You need the black plus sign to appear, and then you're gonna left click on it and drag it. You see what I'm doing? I'm dragging the cloud so that it makes the shape of the cloud. You can make it small, you can make it big. So for me, I just want to make it this size because I want to be able to fit the other 2 shapes that I want to use. So it's gonna default and give you this gray color in the inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the color of this cloud. So I'm gonna go to this icon right here. You see it? It's kind of like a paint can, and it says fill color. So I'm gonna click on that, and then I'm gonna pick black and see how my cloud turned black. So that's my first shape. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my second shape. So go back to shapes. Go to shapes again. This time I want to add a lightning bolt, which is there. And then I'm gonna again drag it. And then I'm gonna change the color of my lightning bolt. So I am going to pick a black lightning bolt. And then the third shape I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a heart. And they have a heart here. There you go. There's a heart. I'm going to draw my heart, and hey, look at that. It just automatically turned into a black heart. So these 3 shapes represent the topic in a chapter that I was reading. That's just an example, right? So these are the emotions that it made me feel after reading that chapter. So you can do it this way. The other way you can do is you can actually go and open up a new tab. Say, for example, you want to put emojis, but the emoji isn't on the shapes as an option. So what you could do is you could open up a new tab. So open up a new tab, and then you literally just search for emojis. Let me type it. Emojis. Hopefully something pops up. And then I'm gonna put sad emoji, because the topic made me sad. I'm gonna click on images, and then now I am going to, I'll pick this guy right here. So what you're gonna do is you're going to right click and see if I can do it, copy the image. I'm gonna copy the image. I'm gonna go back to my slide, which is this guy, and then I'm gonna right click again and see if I can paste it. And then it's so big. So what do? It's huge. You guys see this right here? Make him your friend. That's your cropper or cropping image tool. Click on it, and then this black box is gonna appear. And then what you're gonna do is you're going to crop it. You're gonna make it small. I'm gonna make it small. Or you're gonna cut out the part that is extra that you don't need. Oh, what happened? See, I'm glad I'm doing this tutorial. If this happens to you, don't freak out. Go to this button right here. That's the undo button. Just click on undo. There you go. So let's try it again. I'm trying to get... Okay, so that's the one I need. Just play with it a little bit. Don't be afraid of it. It's just technology. And then click outside. Let's see. So I'm going to shrink this guy. So what you do when you're shrinking it, most people, they tend to drag it from this side, and then they drag it from this side, That's actually a lot of work. So what I recommend, because I've been doing this for a minute now, what you can do is just drag it from the corner, whatever corner you want to drag it from. You can drag it from this corner, you can drag it from this corner, and you literally just push it in to make it small. And then you add it, and then you just move it, just like that. All right? So that's how you can use this slide if you're going to do the 3 colors option for your R2L. All right, so check out the other video on the other tutorial. Okay, you guys, if you have any questions, just make sure you email us back or make a comment on Google Classroom Stream. Bye.